Whoa. Hey, man. That was a serious case of sneezeitis. Sneezeitis is a disease where you sneeze for absolutely no goddamn reason. Hello, patient. Sneeze boy.
Hello, doctor. Yes, I cannot stop sneezing. Help.
Wow. That's a tough case. But we can fix that. Bless you.
Thank you, doctor.
So sneezing is a problem with the lungs, getting rid of bad air, because I don't have a good English language dictionary. So if we can just prevent you from sneezing, like remove your lungs, you should be fine.
Bless you, doctor.
Thank you. I sneezed 3 nights. I sneezed about 1 fortnight ago. Bless you. Twice. So
Thank you, doctor.
if you need help, just remove your lungs. That's all. And then you'll stop breathing altogether, so you will never have to worry about sneezing or living.